I once read this quote that said, "We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us." And in that moment, I was mind blown because those words couldn't be any more true to me. Ever since I studied abroad in 2017, I got bit by the travel bug and constantly craved to explore the world. There's this sense of wanderlust, and I feel it very strongly, especially when it comes to solo traveling. If I were to describe it, I think the number one thing that I love about solo traveling is the feeling of taking control of your own life. It's knowing that you have the power to design and execute the life that you want to live. There's no one telling you what to do or how to do it. You have the complete freedom to make every decision for yourself. Feel like eating? Go ahead. Feel like doing nothing? Do it. And what if you get lost? Well, that's okay. Go explore and enjoy the adventure. Whatever your heart desires, you lead the way. There's no one stopping you. The world is your playground, and you're the guiding compass. I know the thought of being alone can be scary, and it's easy to feel lonely when you're in that state. I feel it too, but think about it. When was the last time you stopped worrying about the people around you and only focused on taking care of yourself? Instead of being considerate of everyone's feelings, what about you? What is it that you want to do? Relationships with other people are important, but don't forget that the most important relationship is the one that you have with yourself. So take solo traveling as an opportunity to get to know yourself more intimately. Don't be afraid of being alone, but learn to embrace solitude. And once you start building that self-love and self-confidence, you'll eventually realize that you don't need anything or anyone to complete you in life. You're already whole on your own. With that being said, every person still has their own story and struggles. But the incredible thing about traveling is that it gives you perspective. All of my problems that might have overwhelmed me back home suddenly seem so small, and I somehow get the feeling that everything will be okay. Maybe it's because all I can think about is how I'm just a tiny human living on this planet called Earth, which is really just a rotating ball floating in the middle of nowhere. Isn't it funny when you look at it that way? You know, the first time I went solo traveling was to Japan back in 2017, and I remember thinking to myself, should I not go, and should I wait for others to join me next time instead? But then I realized that we only have so much time in this world. There are still so many places to go, people to meet, food to eat, and experiences to have. And the more we wait for the right time to act, the more we'll miss out on the opportunities in front of us, what we can do now. So the moral of the story is, if there's something you want to do, go out there and do it. Stop coming out with excuses and make it happen. Never forget that you have the power to create the life that you've always wanted to live. Anyway, I'll be off to my next adventure now. What about you? Where do you want to go? what's up, Sol here. Hope you're all doing well. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Nordace for partnering with me on this video. If you guys don't know, Nordace is a company that sells high quality travel backpacks and accessories that are designed to upgrade your travel experience. They're stylish, functional, and for this video, they sent me their best-selling backpack and compression packing cube, which I was super excited about, and honestly, after trying them out, I can say that they make a huge difference in terms of organization, accessibility, and convenience. Let me quickly show you why. So right off the bat, some key features that I love about this backpack are the USB charging port, side waterball pocket, and hidden back pocket for your valuables like your passport, wallet, or cash. There's also a luggage strap, which is really nice, and then on the inside it's very spacious. There's lots of pockets, and there's also a separate laptop compartment that's big enough to fit my 16-inch MacBook Pro. And then in the front, there's a sunglasses compartment, which is pretty cool, and there's also a key ring, which is perfect for when you're renting out an Airbnb, or if you want to use this as a daily backpack, that would be perfect too. In general, I love how clean the style is. It's very easy to match with any outfit, and it's also very comfortable. Sometimes when we were filming, I forgot that I was even wearing it. Anyway, if you're interested in purchasing this backpack for yourself, links will be in the description box down below. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, continue to stay safe, and let me know in the comments, if you could travel to any place in the world right now, where would you go? Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!